Hi guys, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian, and today I want to film a very smoky and dramatic look, but mainly I wanted to use this Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. I just got it and I wanted to play with like the darker colors over here. And I don't know, I haven't worn makeup in a couple of days, so I thought, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna cake it. You know what I'm saying? So I'll shut up, I'll stop rambling, and let's get into the tutorial. I put my little bandana on to help keep my wig down, but I'm gonna start with foundation first. So today I wanna use my Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover Foundation. I have the shade N04. If you've been watching me for a while, I went through a stage where I was using this foundation all day, every day, and I haven't used it in quite some time, so I thought I would bust it out, go back to it. This is a IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection brush. I like it because it has the airbrush buffer on one side and concealer on the other. Hide my Cheez-Its. So I'm just patting this on all over. One thing about this foundation is that it's very, very full. A little bit goes a very long way. You can use it as concealer, foundation, whatever you want. You can mix it in with a moisturizer if it's too much. And I'm not using a primer because I haven't really been using face primers lately, but if you need a primer, you could still wear a primer with this one. So I just did my foundation, and then I blend out any harsh brush lines with my beauty blender. If you watched my tutorial I did with Jill, where Jill did my makeup, she did everything in like sheer layers. So I've been trying my hardest to keep doing that every day. It's very hard, but I've been like sticking to it. But I feel like I don't really need another layer. Anyways, I'm rambling. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and these are new to me, but I've been using them the last couple of days, and I think I really like them. It's the L'Oreal Havana Camilla Kibeho Insta Brow. Yeah. So I have the shades, they don't have names, but on top there's like color. So it's like, I think it's a light brown and a medium brown. In my videos, I use like the MAC. I think I have it actually. I've been using this like in every single tutorial. It's the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint. I love these, but they're like starting to run out and I need to repurchase, but I thought I'd try something new, and not new, but like cheaper. So I decided to try this out, and I think I really like it. So it's also a liquid, it's like a liner, and it has an angled tip to it, and I just flick it right through my eyebrows. I start with the lighter one first, and here I just like flick it right through. I really like those MAC pens, and I would highly suggest them, but I'm also open to cheaper options. So I feel like this kind of is similar. And I got really sweaty the other day, and they didn't smudge off or anything. So I find that you want to like wipe some of it off, because if you get too much, it's very harsh and very painted on, which is not what I prefer. So if you do end up getting this, just make sure to like dab it off. So then I switch to the medium brown, and I do this like on the arch downwards, or any place that I have like major gaps where I overplucked. I just like the look of a two-tone brow. So now I'm going to do concealer, and I am going to use the Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover again, but this one's in N01. You can use these as foundation and concealer, or again, anything you want. So yeah, I'm gonna use the N01 for my concealer, which I honestly don't need to conceal any darkness going on, so I'm mainly gonna use this to brighten. So I'm just placing this right underneath my eyes. Sheer layers, okay? Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that out. Wait, why am I doing concealer? Oh, that's fine. I was thinking I should do my eyes before concealer, but I will have to say though that I've been using the Born This Way sculpting concealer as my foundation ever since Jill did my makeup that day. And this is the first time that I'm not using it, which was weird, but I just kind of felt like switching it up a bit. But I love that as a foundation. Like, it changed my life. It's all I've been using, and my skin always just looks like skin. I love it so much. Love it. But today, it's been like a while since I've worn makeup, like really worn makeup. So today I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go all out. I'm gonna do like some cake face with smoky dramatic eyes. Like, why not? It's Tuesday. Okay, so I'm actually gonna let that sit and dry, and I'm gonna do my eyeballs. So normally I would do powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout because I'm doing a really like smoky and dramatic look, but I'm gonna try and be a makeup wizard here and not get any fallout. I'm gonna try. Okay, we'll see how that goes. But today I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors, and this is the Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. Ooh. So I just got this in the mail. I ordered it back when it launched, and it showed up, and I was just like, gotta use it. I did play around with, of course, like the more natural toned shades. I haven't played with like these darker ones over here, so I figured let's venture into this section, okay? So I'm going to start with a crease color, and that means this one, just to be safe. And I have a fluffier crease brush. I'm gonna place this right in the, like right underneath my brow bone, just ever so lightly. So I'm just going back and forth and then doing little circles as well. I've only used this palette once, and I did like that really like natural look, and it was nice. I don't know, I feel like there are so many palettes, just so much new makeup on the market that everything is just kind of looking the same. I need to cheese it to get me inspired. Okay, so since I want a really dark, dramatic smoky eye, what is that? I wanted you like a dark base first. So I'm using a black gel liner, and I'm just taking a small brush, and I'm going to place this on my lid. So patting it at the lash line, and then coming up towards my crease. So putting a black down first will give you a really, really obviously dark base. So any shadows you put on top of it will be really dark and smoky. You don't have to use black. You can also use really any color that you're working with. Like if you were doing a purple eyeshadow, you could do a purple liner down first. But I want to do black, so it's really dark. I'm using a gel because I feel like it's a lot darker than just the pencil liners, and usually they're waterproof, so it stays put really, really well. But you could also use a pencil instead if you don't have a gel. I'm switching to this is like technically a lip brush, but I like the shape of it for eyeliner, especially like a winged liner. An angle brush will work as well. I think I'm just gonna like wing this out. You know, let's just see where this takes us. So I'm going to wing it out. I just want to get this nice and smooth. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to extend the liner into my tear duct area, so right up in here. I was having technical difficulties with this liner. It's been a long time since I've like winged out liner. I couldn't get it even, so whatevs. But the perfectionist in me doesn't want to stop. Just stop. Now I'm going to go back to the palette, and I want to play, should I do this one or this one? So I think I should do, let's start with this blue one and see where it leads us. Should I apply with my fingers? What's the best way to apply these? I'll start with my finger. So I'm just gonna go right over the black. Oh yes, look at that. Money. I think maybe I'll do the black one on the edge of the lid. How about that? Ooh. Black shimmer now, and hopefully it works with the brush. When they did their first collab, the Desi and Katy collab, I purchased the eyeshadow palette, and I had the hardest time with the shimmer shades. Like, I could not get them to work. I tried with my finger, I tried getting them wet, I tried with different brushes, and no matter how many times I tried, they just didn't work out for me. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Come, come, come and let me out. Can you even tell that's black? Yeah, kind of, huh? I like this blue shade a lot. That's fire. Now I'm taking a small crease brush again, and I'm going to do this shade right here because I want to make my crease a little bit darker, like right in here. And now I'm using my Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. This is one habit that is very hard for me to break. I still do a lot of powder underneath my eyes. So I'm using my Beauty Blender and I'm just patting under here. And then on my chin, down the center of my nose. Perfect, love it, gorgeous. Let's do some bronzer now. So this is like my new favorite brush. It's by Koki and it's the 620 brush. I don't know why I love it so much, but lately I just love this thing and I use it for contouring and like bronzer and also blush. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of contour right in here. Uh-oh. So I just pat it first and then I come back and I do a little swirl to blend. The only thing I don't like is the name of the company, Koki.
He was a Koki.
Get that double chin. Perf. Love. Amazing. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna use my NARS Orgasm Blush and just add, I got a burp. Okay, no I don't. A little bit to the apple of my cheek. Remember when Orgasm was all the rage? Like you had to have NARS Orgasm or you were like nobody. Do you remember? Them were the days. It was a simpler time. Anyways, so I'm gonna go back to the palette because I wanna finish my eyes. So I'm taking this shade right here. I'm going to place this along my lower lash line. Let's do this one. Also along the lower lash line. Smoke it out. Smoking a pancake. And then I'm taking the bluish shade right in here. And then, it's in my eye. Okay, I'm good. Boom, shakalaka. Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. I like this liner on my waterline because it's super, super black. I could use the gel, but sometimes the gel liner really bugs my waterline, so I'm just gonna stick to what I know and what I like, which is a pencil. Ooh, I like this eye look a lot. I'm gonna do mascara and lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put on a pair of eyelashes. These ones are, where'd they go? Here they are, Lily Lashes, and they're called Mykonos. Now I wanna add some glow. So I have my Natasha Denona Super Glow, and I have the shade 02 Light Medium. This gives some serious glowation. So placing it right on here, above the arch of my brow. Like if you really wanna glow, okay, get this one. Ooh! Is she sweaty or is she glowing? We don't know, but I like it. Let's do a lipstick. Now I forgot my lip liners. Why am I in this? Okay, this is Black Moon Cosmetics liquid lipstick and it's in Bones. If I had the right lipstick, I'd probably do like Mac Myth, because Mac Myth is my jam. And it's been missing. I don't know where I put it. At this point, I should just buy a new one. But as soon as I buy a new one, I'm gonna find the original. I need a lip liner. My life is so rough. I have this one too, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, Sweet Tooth. And I used this in a past tutorial and I really liked it. I'm just gonna layer it over here, like on the edges. I don't know why, but I just felt like, I don't know. I have no reason as to why I'm doing this. Ooh, and then put this one on top. Who's that lady? Okay, I think I'm done. No, I think I need some more bronzer. And this is the finished look. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to wear it? Let me know down below. I think it looks very nice. I love this blue eyeshadow situation. It's fire. Really enjoy it on my eyeballs. I hope you have a really good day today. Make good choices and let me know what you want to see next. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Bye.